Good day. It's Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Wish everybody a happy April Fool's Day. This is what's going on in front of my Hive 2, the New Zealand Hive. I just thought I'd catch this before we get on with the other stuff I plan on doing. They are bringing in lots of pollen. Hey, young lady. Alright, so what I want to do today is look into the nuke, see what they're doing, and I want to look in on the now reduced Hive 4 and see what's going on there. So I got to get the masking tape off of here, and then we'll open them up. So I'll be back in a minute. Got the not the masking tape, but the duct tape off. They are picking away at the sugar water a little bit. There's still a good amount in there, so I'm not going to bother changing that. And wouldn't you know it? So this is just a frame of honey, and we got some bee bread in there, and some more, it's probably sugar water on that side. Now this is a frame that I put in here that had eggs on it. And some of that brood is hatched. Oh, that we have. Here, I gotta get that under the camera. We've got 2 queen cells. We have 2 queen cells in this hive. And we still have some brood that needs to hatch out. What about this other frame? And a lot of this brood is hatched, but we might have some issues with brood down here in those cells. There probably wasn't enough bees to cover all them. I don't see any other queen cells in there. So, I'll let them sort that out. I wonder if I shouldn't try and introduce some more bees, because that second hive here is just a chocker block full of bees. I could introduce more bees in here. So let me know if I need to clean out those the dead brood. Oh, come on out of there. Back in the box. Young lady with pollen on her. than that, they seem to be in good shape. So I have to keep an eye on them. The weather has not been the greatest. But alright, so let's see what we have going on here. Now I did have a quick peek in here the other day. Oh, it was probably last week now because it's been raining so much. And lo and behold, I found a queen. And the frame that I had put in there, they had just simply drawn out those fresh eggs into larvae, or into workers. So this is the frame that I put in there. I was hoping they would make queen cells on, but most of that is hatched, and down here in the bottom they've just turned that into new brood, and the same on this side. Where's that queen at that I saw? Now, I don't know if you can't see it because of the sun, but this bunch of cells right here has a bunch of fresh eggs in it. Don't tell me she's gone missing again. Come on. Oh, there she is. There's our queen right there. I did manage to sort of freehand get a dabble of paint on her. Oh, she's going up the frame. Now she's laying. The hard thing to know is whether she's actually fully mated or not. Just having a look, I do see just in that cluster where them drone cells are, I do see some fresh eggs, and there's actually a couple of larvae down there. So whether they're going to turn into, now there's a better shot of her right there. Whether they're going to turn into drones or whether they're actually going to be worker bees. I don't know. She seems rather large, but she doesn't seem to be as large as what she could be. So anyway, I'll leave her alone. We do have a queen in here. We'll just have to wait and see if she's actually mated well enough to start laying fresh workers, because there's a lot of drones in this box. Come on, girls, out from under. Push that over. There. So, slow progress is being made by the looks of it. So, I'm just going to put these back together. Settle. They want to get into the top of the box here. Come in. There. All right. Other thing I want to do is check the sugar, which you probably need on these boxes. Smells like honey as soon as you take that lid off of it. Oh, I can smell that. So they've cleaned out the sugar water. I'm not going to open these guys up today. You can see they've emptied that. More. Okay. Like these guys. Man, they need some. Okay. So that's it. I'm not opening this hog up either today. I want to do that in a separate video, because it might be a long video if I open them up today, but you can see them over there in Hive 2. And I might just take a frame of bees out of there, nurse bees, and shake them into that nuke. I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do with that, because they are raising a couple of queen cells there, so might be a good idea to give them a few extra bees. So I will hopefully hear from you in the comments, and hope you're all having a good day. Hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you again on the next video. So bye for now. Thanks for watching.